Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can accept request by IMO ID on IMO HD. So let's get started. Firstly, open IMO HD app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Then tap on security and privacy. Next, scroll until you find method for hiding me. Tap on it. Then you can see the option of IMO ID. Turn on it by tapping on it. So this is how you can accept request by IMO ID on IMO HD. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.